First and foremost, I wish to extend my heartfelt congratulations to the Ghana Air Force, and particularly to the Chief of Air Staff, Sierra Nevada Corporation, and Embraer Defense and Security for their commendable cooperation, which has resulted in the remarkable success for today's flight demonstration. I am aware that such events are relatively uncommon in our region, and their successful execution demands commendable courage and efforts. Ladies and gentlemen, the prevailing security landscape in our sub-region underscores the imperative for nations, including ours, to prioritize efforts in counterterrorism and various forms of asymmetric warfare. Drawing insights from experience in Iraq, Afghanistan, and of course lately Ukraine, just to mention but a few, it is evident that air power confers a crucial asymmetric advantage, capable of decisively impacting engagements where adversaries pose advantages in their domains. The control of the air has therefore become paramount, as air superiority forms the foundation for successful counterinsurgency operations. The collaboration efforts showcased today introduce a diverse array of air designed to effectively secure and maintain our air superiority in a congested airspace. I'm told that the A-29 Super Tucana, tailored for counterterrorism, as the Chief of Air Staff mentioned, close air support and aerial reconnaissance missions in low-threat environments presents new opportunities to augment our capability in counterinsurgency and counterterrorism. It's clear from the speech of the Air Staff that our Air Force has fallen in love with this aircraft, and I'm sure that negotiations to acquire this aircraft should start in earnest. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I'm pleased to witness the partnership between the Ghana Air Force, Sierra Nevada Corporation, and Embraer Defense and Security as they work together to align our objectives for future cooperation. This demonstration not only affords us a first-hand look at the capability of the A2 Super Tucana, but also facilitates the cultivation of relationships essential for sustained collaboration. As we commemorate this event, let us be mindful that maintaining an aircraft's operational readiness at all times requires a meticulous, organized ground infrastructure. A reliable ground organization and logistics support are indispensable to keep aircraft airborne and effective in executing their assigned missions.